Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony ST-S40R soundbar surround sound system and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. If your surround sound system is not connecting, or if it's not syncing with your devices, or if it's having sound issues, if it seems to be frozen or not responding, things like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you will need to repair it with your devices and set it up again, which is the second reason you might want to do this. If you'd like to set this surround sound system up on a new TV or in a new room, if you're selling it, if you just bought a used one, whatever, and you want to get a fresh start as though it were a new device, we can go ahead and do that by forcing it into a factory reset straight from the device. So all we need to do is come into the subwoofer, and on the subwoofer, we're going to find the power button and the volume down button. And if we press and hold the power button and the volume down buttons simultaneously for approximately 5 seconds, it will go into a hard reset to its factory default settings.